What's better than an apple pie? An apple pie made with family. So here is how all started. On my trip to North Carolina to drop my parents off after our India trip, we stopped at a rest area. Papa was craving apple pie, but guess what? They didn't have any. So Archie and decided, why not make one ourselves? Let's get started. We are starting with about 2 pounds of apples. Peeling them in first step. Nothing fancy, just some good old peeling. Now that we have peeled the apples, let's chop them up nice and small. Quick and easy. Now to add some magic, we are mixing in half cup sugar, 1 teaspoon pink salt, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, juice of 1 whole lemon, mix it all up and let it sit for 30 minutes so the apple can sweat all their juices. Alright, while that's sweating, let's take a quick break. So my brother cooked mutton out here in garage because non-veg isn't allowed inside the house. Let's see what's happening.
आपसे जल्दी का वीडियो बनाना है।
रोटी लेगा। ये वाला खाएगा वासु ये वाला गरी वाला पीस है। आप खाइए। अच्छी वन मोर। ये वाला हम लोग है
वासु, तुम कौन सा पार्ट खा रहा है मटन का? हाँ? What are you eating, आर्ची?
इसमें था कौन मेरे? अभी है इसमें निकालो। टेक द पतला वाला। आधा साइड से करो इधर।
I'm trying to break a hole so I can sit.
ओके। वासु कितना ठीक है?
कितना मगन है खाने में वासु, देखो तो कितना मगन है खाने में वो एकदम।
What's a muggen?
What's a मगन?
तो
हाँ?
मटन इसीलिए है।
मगन क्या बोलेंगे? How busy you are eating.
Alright, back to the kitchen. Our apples should be ready by now. Time to get our hands messy. For the crust we need 1.5 stick of soft butter cut in small chunks, 1 pound of all-purpose flour, teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, tablespoon of sugar, using a hand grinder, we mix it all up. Slowly adding water until it forms a nice dough. Now we take it out and knead it by hand until smooth. Into a Ziploc bag it goes. And we pop it in the freezer for 10 minutes.
नहीं छोटा
रविवार तो तुम ऐसा करना सुबह में बात को छोड़ दो सोनिया को छोड़ देना हम फोर्ट छोड़ देंगे मिनी वैन लेके चले जाएंगे
हाँ रख दो, हाँ ठीक है। क्या हुआ?
फोर्ट हम छोड़ देंगे फोर्ट से छोड़ देंगे मिनी वैन लेके
हाँ बाथरूम वाला रख दो
कहाँ
कहाँ?
रखिए चालू वाला
Look at all this juice.
वो तो 10 मिनट का
We are going to put it in a pan
रोटी हम भैया का बना देंगे यार.
Heat it up and thicken it by adding 2 tablespoons cornstarch mixed with water. Add a half stick of butter. Stir it up until thick. And then pour it back into our apple. This will make the filling nice and gooey. Time to roll. We take half of our dough and roll it out big, bigger than the baking part.
If it's better than McDonald's, I'll be honest, but I haven't had McDonald's one in a long time.
Me either. It's been like maybe 15 years I
I
had.
think so.
It's been 15 years I had an apple pie from McDonald's.
This is better. We'll have to like get the recipe.
Oh, but I'm gonna get another view on my YouTube channel.
तो चीनी है मैदा में.
चीनी उसमें
मैदा में
मैं मैदा में
फीका रहेगा फिर.
मैं उसमें तो उसमें है ना पूरा इसमें थोड़ा सा चीनी डालना ज़्यादा नहीं.
Next, we butter up our part thoroughly and lay the rolled dough inside.
एक ही बनेगा, दो बनेगा.
मैं एक ही बना.
Press it in evenly.
आधा आटा रखिए उधर.
ऊपर का टॉप
Archie, nothing better than goat meat. True?
Sushi.
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 I don't know how you like sushi. I don't like
Any
sushi at all.
seafood is better. I love seafood.
I don't like sushi at all.
Yeah, because you never had like seafood in Asia.
Seafood sucks.
Seafood food.
What?
I hate seafood.
And now in goes our delicious apple mix.
With like a food or thingy or
Yes.
like some of the things are already
तुम्हारा पनीर है यार.
I just needed one.
हाँ. ये सब तो हॉलोवीन में बनता है.
पापा ढूंढ रहे थे रेस्ट एरिया में एप्पल पाई ढूंढा मिला नहीं.
पापा तो उसी खोज भी करते हैं.
We should put it in
Now let's roll out the other half of the dough for the top. Once it's ready, we place it on top. Trim off all excess and seal the edges. Gotta make it pretty, you know. A few slits on top. This is important so our pie doesn't explode. Alright, into the oven it goes. We are baking this beauty at 450 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes and now at 350 Fahrenheit for another 20 minutes. Now we wait. And here we go. After 40 minutes of baking, the apple pie is golden brown and smelling amazing. Before serving, let it cool down for half an hour. Papa went to sleep, so he will have to try it tomorrow. But the kids are up, let's see what they think.
Take the whole thing.
Oh,
What?
it's too much in one bite. But it's good though.
I'm
It's
not
good?
much of a pie fan, but I'll try.
Just taste it, yeah. Don't take it, just taste it.
That's good.
Good?
Whoa.
Yes,
Okay, Papa.
Yeah, hold on. I have to get the reaction of everybody.
Not bad for my first time making apple pie. What do you guys think? Should I make it again? This was such a fun experience, making apple pie for the first time and spending time with family. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, happy baking.